Welcome back, children. So let's continue with the last type of notice, that is notice for change of name, residence or company address. For example, in case we are running a shop or company, but due to certain reasons that we have changed the address, we have shifted from this address to that address, and we want to aware the people, the customers, about the new address or the shifted address. So how to inform them? This is one of the criteria or one of the way through which we could aware the people, customers, about new address or the change in name. In certain cases it happens that we have to change our name in the future because of some things or the documents or the different reasons. So that time we have to give an advertisement in the newspaper. So how will you inform the people? So in this way that you can inform the people about your present name, existed means old one, and the new one, name or address or anything. So once again, when we write such type of the notice for changing name, address, residence, company, so certain things that we must remember. For example, first of all, you have to clarify that whom to inform about changing address or the shifting. To whom that we are going to inform. Clearly mention. Maybe your relatives, your friends, people, or certain customers or what. To whom that you are going to inform. Address shall be clearly mentioned. Then reason for change in name. If you want to change your name, existing name. If you want to change your existing address, company. So clearly the reason, what are the reasons in short? Next, existing address, new address that you have to give, and then lastly name and designation or signature designation. So coming to here, the format let us discuss. First of all, you will write your firm name, your company name, for example your shop name. Here I wrote Rajat Enterprises Meerut. For example, so in the same name way that you can mention your company name, shop name or house name, whatever. Then after one line space, then the word notice in capital, and after notice at the left side mention the date. Clear? 9 September for example 2020. Mention date, today we are giving, so you mention today's date. After this date, next line in the center, what is the topic, title, heading? That heading here you clearly mention here. For example, change of address or change of name or anything. Change of company. So change of address. This is our main topic. So now once again here, no need to mention right date, time, all these things. Here only that you will mention, your focus will be on your old address and plus your new address. So let us start the content. This is to inform all that. It means here we are going to inform to all the people, customers. This is to inform all that who, it means whom that we are going to inform, all the people, all people. So this is to inform all that we have changed our office address. What is the main topic? We have changed our office address. That means we have shifted our office from this place to that place. New address. So this is our main title. We have changed our office address from this address. This is the old address. Right? To a Fulbagh colony. This is the old address. We have changed our address for our new office. Our office address address from this address to this one, 2334 public /3 Mangal Pandey Nagar. This is the new address. It may see now both the addresses are given here. Both address, first one is old address and new address, both that you have to give. It means we have shifted our company, our shop from this address to that address. You mentioned that. All are requested to contact us at our new address. Appeal. All are requested to address us at this and this address. And finally, you give your phone number. Phone number remains unchanged. That is as it is. Only address is changed. Otherwise, phone number is not changed. And finally, after this content, you will mention your name and that, for example, who are in this property or the property owner, all these things. So here, one thing that you might have noticed, here we have not mentioned the date. No date, no time, nothing. It means, I mean to say that according to the nature of the question, it means whether we are writing a notice for change of name, address, company, appeal, request, lost and found, or meeting. It depends whether to mention date or time, place. It depends on the nature of the question. And so far, we have discussed some 5 to 6 types of notices. Am I clear? 5 to 6 types we have seen with examples that we have discussed here thoroughly. So you might have understood clearly that where to mention date, address, time, where not to mention, what are the necessary things. In short, once again I would like to reiterate the fact that notices are written for the future reference, for the future things, or sometimes here it is possible, already we have changed, so we want to inform the people. In short, you could use future tense plus present progressive, depends on you, but it should denote the future act or the time. That is what the ultimate thing. And finally, as I told you that keep your notice in a box in this way. That you can make a box for your notice. So almost it is a compulsory question for both the classes or the standard 11 and 12 for 3 marks. Format 1, then content 1 and expression 1. Earlier this question they were asking for 4 marks, but right now the marks limit that is reduced now that they are asking for 3 marks. Clear? So now in this way we have discussed each and everything from notice writing. That I hope that your doubts, each and everything is clear. So that's all from me here today. Thank you and have a fruitful day.